Hi, Salira Store. I see you on Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Let's take a closer look for your product, which is the Microfiber cleaning cloths. First, congrats on your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim, I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. First, let's talk about traffic. What really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see you are organically indexing for 1,600 keywords, and you are supporting that with around 7 paid keywords. This can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing here. We also recommend the golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. You can also check out this word cloud here. These are the most important keyword for your listing. And down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. Right now, we're looking at the biggest traffic opportunities for your product. Now, good job because you're ranking for most of the keywords already. That means that you know what keywords to target. However, these are still in the triple digit and double digit rank. What that means is that for this keyword phrase, which is microfiber cleaning cloth with the highest search volume of all 285,000 searches, you're ranking here at 77. Customers have to scroll through over 77 listings plus sponsored ads before they can find your product. And this is limiting your exposure here because you're buried deep in the search results. The same goes for this other keyword phrases here. Now, we can help you with your keywords here. We can help you push these rankings up as well, ideally into a single digit number because that is where buyers click and that is where the sales happen. Now, let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is microfiber cleaning cloth. And as you can see, there is a total revenue of $10.5 million per month, and top sellers are averaging around $166,000 per month. Now, looking at yours over here, this is impressive. However, I can see that you are not getting your fair share here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. We also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the Alrighty cleaning cloth as well. And just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly. I know that there are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing is their keyword strategy. So they sold over 11,000 units and have generated $140,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution, you will find that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. They are also following the golden ratio. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. The title and the bullet points are the best areas for indexing here. I can see that your title is currently at 156. It exceeds the new limit that Amazon will be setting up starting July 27, which is 75 characters. So Amazon will automatically shorten it, which could affect your SEO. So you could work on this as well. And then the good news here is that the sellers will get additional 125 additional characters for the bullet points. Now, for your bullet points here, good job. Don't forget to update it regularly, as again, SEOs are not set and forget. Your image tag, okay, you have infographics and demographics as well on videos. This is good. This will definitely help boost your visibility as well. And then let's go down here below to your A plus content. You have your brand story, which is really beautiful. Good job utilizing large eye-catching images here for your A plus content. Let's see if you've utilized alt text. Alright, you did. For your alt text, the tip that I can give you here is that you should add misspellings or Spanish terms, as these techniques are proven to help boost your visibility as well in Amazon. Now, those are just a few tips that I can share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.